Back in 2004, when the movie Dhoom was released, the teenagers went completely crazy back then. It was the mighty Hayabusa that made everyone go crazy. A few days ago, the third generation of Hayabusa was launched after a long wait since 2007. It now has a redesigned fairing, however, it still retains that same old iconic appearance. It's more aerodynamic and more edgy now. 1340cc with 4 cylinders, and of course it now comes with lesser horsepower and torque figures. And still it does not comes with a turbocharger like its competitors, the Kawasaki H2. It now has a new headlight design along with TRLs with integrated turn indicators. A redesigned tail section with LED tail lights and LED indicators, which also works as warning lights. Even if it sounds same, the engine has been totally redesigned and re-engineered, and all its major components have been properly revised to give you the ultimate performance, especially in the mid-range and lower range, while still retaining its top speed, which is 299 km/h, and it is restricted. The Busa is now equipped with state-of-the-art performance equipment. The Brembo Stylema brakes with 320mm dual front discs. A totally new instrument cluster with LCD screen at the center. A 6-axis IMU by Bosch. The Suzuki Drive Selector Mode Alpha. Power Selector Mode with 3 riding modes, and each mode giving you a different power and torque curve as per your riding needs and environment. It also got an anti-lift control system with 10 different modes which can also be switched off, which will enable the rider to control the throttle in a much better way. It also got a launch control system with 3 different modes so that you can control the horses at the launch itself. The Busa got the engine brake control system with 3 different modes wherein you can use the engine braking as per your convenience. It also got 3 different modes of launch control system so that you don't accidentally pop up a wheelie at the start.